This video demonstrates products and services under management. In this feature you can add your products or services in the software. To start, click on Add New Product. If you already have a list of your products and services, import the Excel file by clicking here. Select the product type. Enter barcode. Product description. Category. Company. Purchase price. Sales tax ratio. Main unit. Reorder level. Sale price. If product have subunits. Click Yes. Enter subunit, quantity per main unit and sale price. Select purchase unit and sale unit. Click Save. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.